this is Norbert, Multihullsworld. Today we are going to try a very nice catamaran, the Lagoon, the new Lagoon 60 here in the bay, in Fornell.
So we are on board the Lagoon 60 number 1 after several months of tests, intensive sailing with an external crew that we pay for that. We just asked them to give us some feedback of sailing but also life on board before we really launch this new model on the market. This hull number 1 will be at the Yachting Cannes Festival next September, and we are now in Minorca, Balearics, to just enjoy this beautiful vessel. There were 3 things to remember about the new Lagoon 60s. Maybe the first one would be that we have really different places to live on board. In the saloon, for instance, we have a different separated area for the real saloon, then a dining area, and the bar area, which is open to the cockpit. Second point would be, maybe what's the biggest challenge for this boat is to have everything on one single level. From the forward cockpit, with a door to the saloon, to the aft cockpit, which is XXL, with extra wings on the side. Everything is on one single level, just to give the feeling of a very nice terrace on the sea. The third point is the massive and big flybridge that we have, and nobody never made it on a 60-feet boat, and this is really just impressive on a sailing vessel of that size.